I went from drawing hands like this to this, and that's without reference. Something just clicked, and I want to share how I did it. Back then, I thought hands were only two parts, palm and fingers. If you want to simplify the art, that's fine, but if you want a more intricate and more detailed style, instead of thinking hands as two parts, think of it as five. That might seem confusing, but let me show you. So the palm is normally this shape, like an octagon. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 lines that you need to create. This is going to be our base, or what we call as our number 1. If you look at your palm, we actually have a joint here. Now we're going to add that shape, and that's going to be our 2. Now for our 3, 4, and 5, it's going to be our fingers. Just remember, these 2 lines at the top is where our 4 fingers are going to go. So that's how you do it. Now in those fingers, in each of those, is where our 3, 4, 5 are going to go. Just remember that our fingers are divided into 3 sections. That's why it's divided like this. Now, there's an exception for this rule in the fingers. Since our thumb is only divided into 2, you can only do 2 as well. Now that you know the basic, I'm going to show you how to apply that. You need to think each part of the hand as 3-dimensional. So for example, when you draw the palm or our number 1, try doing that octagon shape into 3-dimensional. Now we have our number 1 or our base complete. Let's add the fingers. Now add 3 segments, that's going to be our fingers. Now for stylization purposes, I actually like doing these curves on each of the segment. Then on the very tip, I like making it a little round, and then going again with these curved segments. Now after doing that, just add details like the fingers, like this. Then at the end of these segments, there's actually our knuckles there. So just add those. Now you just have to render and adjust a couple of things. It'd be like this. Ta-da! It's not perfect because I did it super quickly, but that should be the idea. I hope that helps.